Good morning, and here are the top 5 stocks that you'll watch out for today in trade. First, we'd start with Sun Pharma, as there's news which comes in that the subsidiary Taro has been asked to pay $205 million to settle the US DoJ investigation. Now, the company is also being asked to pay $213 million to resolve its claim related to the federal healthcare programs. Taro, this investigation is going on by the DoJ for quite some time. It's a multi-year investigation which was being carried on the generic pharma companies, and that is why we are seeing this payment coming in on the back of that, and that is why we'll see the stock active in trade today. Now, moving on to PNC Infra, we may see some positive move here as the company has received a letter of acceptance from NHAI for 2 EPC projects of Delhi Vadodara alignment of 8 lanes access cross controlled by greenfield expressway. Now, the contract value of this is around 1,547 crores. The NHAI has rejected the proposal for this by Chinese companies had also bid for this proposal, and that was rejected. So Chinese companies' loss is PNC Infra's gain, and we may see the stock active in trade today. Moving on to Lupin. Now, here the pharma company has received a tentative approval for 2 tablets, and these 2 tablets are mainly used for improving the glycemic control in adults and type 2 diabetes patients. So that will be interesting to see how the stock reacts in news, especially as these tablets do have a sales market of around $242 million in the US market, and so there's a good market for that, and we may see the stock active in trade today. Moving on to Canfin Home. Now, this stock will be active in trade on the back of the news that the board has approved issue of NCDs of around 4,000 crores, and they'll be raising funds via NCDs, as well as 1,000 crores will be raised via QIP or rights issues, and that is very interesting to see as Canfin Home is raising funds, and the stock will be active in trade today. Lastly, we have AU Small Finance Bank, which will be active on the back of its Q1 earnings. Now, in terms of the profitability has jumped by 6% on a year-on-year basis and stands at 201 crore, while the net interest income of the company has also seen an improvement. It's up by 30% and stands at 516 crores for the quarter. The gross non-performing assets of the company have remained stable, so that is positive signs over there, as it has remained stable and not worsened, and it stands at 1.7% on a quarter-on-quarter basis. So surely, we are going to see this stock active in trade, as well as, let's not forget today is an earnings packed day where we have ITC, Asian Paints, JSW Steel and Z Entertainment, which are going to post its earnings, and these are nifty companies, while in the broader markets we also have Ambuja Cement, which will be posting its earnings. So surely keep an eye out for all these stocks in trade today.